fusion.
Yeah.
Because you have belly dancing and hip-hop in the back.
We're all from Baguio. We're all dancers. We all have different dance groups in
It's
Baguio.
like a dance alliance that you guys
Yeah,
formed.
because it's our centennial celebration, Baguio.
Okay.
So we decided to put up a group to be able to present Baguio. Oh, it's really quite hard having 3 different dance groups dance as one. So conflict in schedules. They're always in Manila.
Guys, handa na kayo? Yeah! Pwede na kayo pumunta sa stage.
Hello!
Hello po.
Kayo ang Baguio Metamorphosis.
Opo, ang logo po ng Baguio Centennial is the butterfly. And it is we represent the butterfly metamorphosis.
Oh.
Impress us.
Metamorphosis complete.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wow! And the crowd goes wild.
Kasi yung girls ang asset talaga.
In fairness naman, friendship sa mga boys, magagaling sila sumayaw.
You're very good.
So ako, yes.
Ako din, yes?
It's a big yes.
Yes or no? Lumabas sa iyong cocoon at ipakita ang iyong talent. At eventually, baka mag-metamorphose ka with 2 million pesos.